Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change ear tips on your earbuds EARFUN Air 2. You have to start by remove the old ear tips, so let's get started with the left one. Here we go, it's pretty easy, so don't worry. And the right one. Now select new ear tip size, I'm going with this one. And then we need to attach them. And the right one. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.